Hey everyone, Technomentary with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide apps on iOS 18. This is the new method to hiding apps. So let's get started. Now, the way to hide an app is you find the app that you have that you like to hide. For example, let's go ahead and hide the Instagram app here. I'm going to press and hold on to it. And you don't see the option right away because the first thing you'll have to do is click on require passcode. And along with that is that you want to make sure you have Face ID or Touch ID enabled and a passcode on your device. And from there on, you see the option for hide and require passcode. By default, you can just require a passcode, which will show the app. But if you do that, you can go ahead and hide it and then enter your phone's passcode. And then once you enter the passcode, it will give you the option to hide, and the app will no longer be visible except in a few places such as settings. Your pass will be required to reveal the app, open, or use Siri with the app as well. So you can click on hide app and wish, as you can see here, the Instagram app has been hidden from our view here. So that's how you hide an app on your iPhone on iOS 18. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone on iOS 18. We'll see you guys next time.